the super duper feature update.
It's super duper duper.
Yes, you. Unified records in HubSpot. You can now automatically configure left side, middle pane, and the right side, all with a push of a button. Let us have super duper awesome to show you how it works.
What is up, y'all? Super Steve here, coming in with an update to the package builder. We have finally added support for the unified record views. This is super powerful and actually way easier to work with than the previous record views, both in HubSpot and in Super. So this is a win for everyone. I created a basic deal view here that I just sort of put everything into. So I have custom tabs. I've got all the different types of cards, including different customizations. For example, I have a report card. I have an association list property list card, including filters, even including other things like list memberships, and I got a right-hand section here. So let's go ahead and add this to our package. We have the new record customization unified. You'll see the old record customization is gone. We can search for our view here. All the different views for all of your different objects are here. I can search for everything view. I'll see the deal view for everything. Let's go ahead and add that now. So because this view has a lot of dependencies, we have to add those. So it's going to pick up things like custom objects, the custom fields, the lists that are in those filters, the report that's in the card. Now this one has a business unit on the report, so I'm going to go ahead and change that to the primary because I won't have business units in what I'm installing into. So now let's go ahead and install this package. And we'll go over here to where I already have this one, so let's go ahead and delete these two views, and then we'll go ahead and we'll install this package. So I already have all these dependencies set up, so most of them will just show up blue here, which means that they get skipped over. Let's go ahead and make sure these custom objects are installed. Go ahead and skip that, and we'll go ahead and create this view. So this view is going to create as a team view, which means that as I go in here and I refresh, this view is assignable to a team. So we don't assign those teams as part of the package. You come in and after and assign those. Now, if you already have a view with the same name, whenever you install it, it'll actually pick up that duplicate and it's going to merge them together. And the way it'll do that is by putting all of the cards that are in your installed view at the top and all the existing views at the bottom. So that means that you don't lose things whenever you do whenever you have an existing view, but it will merge them together. And we do create a backup view, which will basically be what the view was before we did the install. With the new team views, it's really cheap to have these cloned views, so we go ahead and we do that for you. At this point, I now have a unified record view copied between accounts with all the different cool features, like my custom tab with a property list, with my filters, with all these crazy connections. It just picks it up for you. And then the final thing I'll mention here is we do also handle if you want to have a view that is a team view, but you want to install it actually as a default view. So whenever you're building your package and you have the record customization here, you can actually, you'll see that it's a team view, and when you click this, it'll actually change it to a default view. And what that does is when you install it, instead of going into a team view, it's going to go into the default view. And vice versa, if you had a default view, you could install it as a team view. Basically, this helps you organize. You could have team views for several different use cases that you're going to install into default views based on certain clients or different personas that you're working with. This also handles the free accounts. Free accounts cannot have team views, so we detect that, and every view that's installed into a free account will show up as a default view instead of a team view because there's no use there. This is going to be live hopefully by the time you're watching this video. As always, stay awesome, stay supered. See ya.